This is Quick Tips, short and sweet tricks to save you time and money. Having a messy pile of tools and equipment laying around can affect your productivity and make your workspace look like a junk heap. Let's organize your tools quick and cheap. Here's how to do it. First, we need a wood pallet. You can find these at abandoned work sites or on Craigslist. We found a free pallet and some scrap pegboard pretty quick and took it back to the garage. These serve as the base of the organizer. Start by locating studs on the cleared wall that you want to mount your organizer on. Simply mark out where your studs are with a pencil to make things easy on you when you go to mount this. After that, hold the pallet against the wall and level it into position. Once you're happy with its alignment, grab a couple brackets and attach them to the pallet and then into the wall. If you want, you can go directly into the stud through the pallet wood like this. Cut your pegboard to the same dimensions as the pallet. Luckily, ours were both already 2 by 4 feet. Place it over the frame using clamps to hold it in place. Now simply screw through the pegboard holes and into the wood pallet itself. For best results, place a screw every 12 inches and it'll be nice and secure. Once it's all in and mounted, that's pretty much it. It's time to place your tools. Start by placing your long yard tools in the top and get them out of the way. Now add pegs, hooks, baskets, or any type of pegboard compatible hardware and mount all of your gear into place. And not to mention have a pretty sweet looking setup. So that's it. We basically got rid of your clutter and cleared your workspace for just a few bucks and a little Craigslist surfing that didn't involve any public restrooms. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome tips and life hackery. You can click the next one here or check the description if you're on mobile. See you next time.